Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is question answer. Our today's topic is question answer, and today is our revision class. And my dear students, look at the board. Today is our lecture number 28. Lecture number 28. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn a question answer. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, our question is, write the 4 kindness of Allah. Write the 4 kindness of Allah. My dear students, here I have written the question. Now I will write the answer. So my dear students, look at the board very carefully. Our answer is, my dear students, we know that Allah is Rahman. A-L-L-A-H, Allah is Rahman. R-A-H-M-A-N, Rahman. My dear students, Allah is Rahman. Rahman means then R-A-H-M-A-N. Rahman means M-E-A-N-S. Rahman means kindness. K-I-N-D, kindness. And W-E-S. My dear students, Rahman means kindness. Then, my dear students, here is written, write the 4 kindness. My dear students, here will be double S, kind, N-E-double-S. My dear students, our question is, write the 4 kindness of Allah. Now we will write the 4 kindness of Allah. My dear students, our 4 kindness of Allah is, then now we will write the 4 kindness of Allah are the 4 kindness, K-I-N-D, kind, N-E-S-S, the 4 kindness of Allah, A-L-L-A-H, Allah are, number 1 is the 4 kindness of Allah are, number 1 is the sunshine. The sunshine, S-H-I-N-E, the sunshine. Then the air, the air, then the water, and my dear students, and the well health, and the W-E-L-L, well health, H-E-A-L-T-H. My dear students, look at the board. The 4 kindness of Allah are the sunshine, the air, the water, and the well health. My dear students, we know that Allah is very kind. Allah is Rahman, and Rahman means kindness. There are a lot of kindness of Allah. From this, we have written here 4. These 4 are, my dear students, look at the board. The 4 kindness of Allah are the sunshine, the air, the water, and the well health. My dear students, Allah give us everything. In this regard, we should pray always to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this regard, we will perform salat 5 times a day, and we will always try to maintain good deeds and good activities. Then Allah will be satisfied on everyone. So my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we have learned question answer. The question was, write the 4 kindness of Allah. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. So my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.